Happy Monday, guys. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We're super busy over here. Got lots of things going on, like you guys probably know already. Last Friday, if everything goes right, on Friday you saw our live video where we actually talked about several different things, but one of the things we talked about was this little miniature Live to Ride sign that I did. What I did was, when I made this is actually for a customer. When I made this, I actually took clips of the making all the way through using my iPhone. So you will see these clips all kind of strung together. I kind of put them in order, but they'll be all strung together. But some of them will be just really short. Some of them will be a little bit longer. It sounded weird. But so right up front, I got to let you know that I apologize for my dress. I think I was wearing half the time I walk around here, guys, in a ragged old shirt. I don't wear these shirts when I'm working. Anyway, so I apologize for that. I apologize for some of the angles because I was just using a tripod and my iPhone. Vicky was busy doing her, she's filming this, but she was busy doing her pours. She has her tables she's working on. So I filmed just clips with my iPhone, mostly for Instagram, but I thought it might be valuable for you guys. So I put them all together on this. But in conjunction with that, people are asking on Instagram whether we have the layout template for this. And you guys will have seen on Friday, if you watch Friday's video, you will see we show those. But I want to show them here. I've got them all laid out. I want to show them here for you guys with the good camera, just to make sure that you guys can see what we've got. So what we have here is the normal Live to Ride. That's our normal size, which is about 20 by 8, I believe. Yep. And then this size is the miniature. Then we actually created a medium as well. So the medium is 15 by 6. And then we also make the little letters to go inside. So I'll go over all of this stuff. So you can use individual letters if you want to spell something out, or you can use these little ones that we made, just like the big one that we made to go here. So in case you don't know, the big one is 25, and then the letters that go in there, if you want to use those, is 10. This one is 20. The layout template, if you want the little letters, I think that's $7.50, I think. And then the little one is 15 for the layout template, and 5. But they're all on the website now. You guys should be able to go right to the website and see them all. But yes, oh, you're on me. Okay, gotcha. But anyway, the little one came out really good. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I decided to, rather than making these outset letters, I decided to go ahead and make them inset letters. It was a little bit easier. I think it will be a little bit easier for you guys as well. I haven't carved a medium yet, but I'm pretty sure I can do that if I did the little one. So anyway, guys, this is just an announcement about these things. And then now I'm going to go in and show you the clips of making this one all the way through. Oh, the other thing is that this was the first big test for the carving liner. I've tried it, before, but this was all the detail on this was done with a carving liner. The more I use that bit, the more I am convinced, and I love it a lot more than I like the SC50. So if you guys haven't tried that yet, and you need another detailed bit, try that carving liner. I love it. It really works well. And let's see. Oh, at the end of the clips, I actually go over the bits that I used as well on here. So I kind of go into a description on that. And I think that's it, guys. So it's going to go now on all those clips. And if you guys have any questions, as always, let me know. Eric@makeawoodsign.com. And we're on Instagram every day, Make a Wood Sign. You know all the spiel. Anyway, love you guys. And I hope you enjoy this. Again, don't be too critical because I was trying to wing it with my iPhone. I wish Vicky had been there because it really could have been a lot better. But I'm hoping it works for you. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Hey, guys. Hope you're having a great Saturday. So you guys know this is my regular Live to Ride sign. About 19 inches long, about 8 to 9 inches tall. Look what my project is for today. Uh-oh. How small is that? That is about 9 inches long and about less than 4 inches tall. Those are, let me see, well, those about half-inch size letters? About half-inch letters. Oh boy. I don't know what I got myself into here. This is a piece of that cherry, by the way, that I showed. I got a bunch of drawer fronts. Anyway, I'm going to give it a shot. Wish me luck. So I'm doing the background this time with my 60-degree V-groove. So now I'm going to cut out my shape, and I'm using my spiral upcut bit, cutting all the way through. I held it in place with blue painter's tape and Starbond thin. Put my tape down, put my tape on the back of my board, and the Starbond glue to give me a good temporary hold. In fact, it's a great hold. That's how it came off. There it goes. So there it is. Now I just have to kind of sand up the smooth edges. Got kind of some rough edges on there. I just have to kind of sand that off, sand it up, make it look nice and smooth. Then we'll spray it, sand it off, see what it looks like. See what it looks like.
Nice.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
All right, so there's my big live to ride that I've done many, many times. And this is the way the new little miniature live to ride came out. 10 inches long. It was kind of challenging, but a lot of fun. I'm really happy with the way it came out. A lot of people ask me what bits I use, so I'm going to go through them. That's my 18-degree carving liner for all the super fine detail. And then I go around everything with the profile bit. That's my standard profile bit. I did the background with my 60-degree V-groove. And then I cut the shape with a spiral upcut. So there it is, guys. Hope that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great one. Bye-bye.